explosion, we're going to test the pH of the vinegar and the bicarbonate of soda using universal indicator. Take some of the vinegar in a pipette and put it into the spotting tile.
Then add universal indicator.
It has turned a bright red colour. We will now refer to the pH scale to see what pH it is.
The pH is red, so it means it's from 0 to 2, which is quite high.
Now we'll test the pH of the bicarbonate of soda. Using a spatula, put some in the spotting tile, and then add a bit of universal indicator too.
It is a blue color, which means it is a weak alkaline because it is only a bluish color.
Probably best to do this experiment inside somewhere, so when the explosion does go off, you're not spilling it everywhere. Cut.
That is how you make an explosion.
Now, if you want to, you may have put some food colouring in to make it look like lava.
We later tested the pH of the solution and it was neutral, 7.